Hi, guys. Happy Monday. So, this week is going to be slightly different because spring break starts on Friday. Monday and Tuesday, you can expect normal math lessons. Wednesday will be another one of those work session Wednesdays where you will be receiving enrichment activities, and some of you will be getting reteaching lessons from me. Thursday would be an early dismissal day if it was a normal school day, so you can expect lighter loads of math work. Now, let's talk about our responsibilities for today. So, we're going to start by using our workbooks in this slideshow to go over a new lesson. You guys have to remember that you need to push pause on the videos and actually attempt to do the problems yourself first. So that way you're getting the most out of the lessons. After that, you are going to log on to iReady and complete a comprehension check. And then the last thing that you will have to do is 15 minutes of your iReady path. So today we're starting lesson 24, and lesson 24 takes a look at what we did last week and using those learning targets to now divide unit fractions in word problems. So remember that there are several models that we can use: an area model, a bar model, and a number line. Some of us are making some mistakes when looking at the two different types of problems that we have below, because there is a difference when I start off with two wholes and divide it by a half, and when I take a half and divide it by 2. So let's take a look at this first problem where it says 2 divided by a half. In that case, I'm starting with 2 wholes. And so you can see here that I have 2 wholes represented. I then have to take each of those wholes and cut them into half-size pieces. So you can see when I slide these red lines across, I have each of these 2 wholes cut into halves. So you can think maybe I had 2 brownies and I cut them each into half-size pieces. When you're starting with a whole number and dividing it by a fraction, your quotient is going to talk about the amount of pieces we have. So if I took those 2 brownies and cut them into half-size pieces, how many pieces of brownies do I have now? Well, you can see that it says I have 4 half-size pieces. The other example would be 1/2 divided by 2. So in this case, maybe I have half a tray of Rice Krispie treats left. So that would maybe look like this. And I want to take half that tray of my remaining Rice Krispie treats and cut it into 2 equal parts. So you can see that I have this piece here and this piece here. This would be an area model over here. This example would be more of a bar model. So now I'm going to take this here and slide it over. And this example doesn't want to know how many pieces I have. When I have a half divided by 2, they want to know what is the value of each piece. So where this one was 4 half-size pieces, this one over here, the answer is going to actually be 1/4, because each piece has a value of 1/4. All right. So hopefully that clears up some misunderstandings from before. If you haven't gotten your workbook out, please do so now.